buddies, I'm RJ Kavinya from grade 4B from Premwich Garden School. This is the message from Savitri by Aurobindo. Whatever is here of visible charm and grace, find its faultless and immortal lines. All that is beautiful here is the divine. Thank you, bye-bye.
Hi, hello buddies. நான் உங்க அஜய் ஜீவிகா from grade 5 Primbus Garden School. Today's Karmayogi Appa's message. A part of being function through conditioning through a faculty or a habit that is narrow, shedding the habit, overcoming the faculty, they can function from their entire capacity of fullness. For the man to express the absolute, such an opening is necessary. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, hello everyone. I am your RJ Akshay Pranita, grade 4B from Primbus Garden School. In this show, we are going to see some logic questions and answer. I live in sky but falls to the ground. I am cold and white, make no sound. What I am? Answer, snow. And next, வாங்க விடுகதைகள் பார்க்கலாம். வாசனையை விட சுவையது, யோசிங்க பார்க்கலாம். பதில் உன் நாக்கு. தேங்க்யூ.